Well, good morning, fifth grade. Guys, it is the morning of April 30th, Thursday. And guys, remember, we actually do not have school tomorrow, so you will not be getting assigned work on Google Classroom. So this is technically our Friday, and we're finishing multiplying decimals. So remember, when you multiply decimals, think M and M and M. You need to move all the decimals out. You need to multiply like you would regular whole numbers, and then you need to move the decimals back in. So in this example problem, we're multiplying 7 and 8 tenths times 3 tenths. I'm going to rewrite the problem down here so I can actually move the decimals out. 7 and 8 tenths times 3 tenths. And remember, what I mean by moving the decimals out is I want to move them all the way to the right. I want to make both these numbers whole numbers. So I'm going to take this decimal and move it one place to make a 78. However, it's really important that in a little M&M up here, I put a number 1, so I remember that I move this decimal one place to the right to make it a whole number. And then for 3 tenths, I'm moving this decimal 1 to the right. That will become a 3. And then I need to put that in an M&M and save it for later. So now we're doing 78 times 3, and I'm going to do the box method. So I'm going to draw my box as best as I can. Do 3 times 8 and 70, and then break it apart. And now we're ready to multiply. So 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 70, well, 3 times 7 I know is 21. And then I just need to annex 1 0 for 210. Now we're going to add 210 plus 24. So we have 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus nothing is 2. All right, so we've moved the decimals out, we've multiplied, but now we have got to move them back in. I have a 1 here and a 1 here for a total of 2. So right now in 234, my decimal is all the way to the right. So I need to count and move it back in 2 places. So I go 1, 2, and my answer is 2 and 34 hundredths. So fifth graders, remember today, M and M and M, move the decimals out, multiply, move the decimals back in. Keep track of how many times you moved it out by putting the numbers in M&Ms. Fifth grade, let me know if you guys have any questions, and have an awesome day.